Hi there and welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today's special is a simple plain dal or a dal curry. So let's get started. Start by adding 2 handfuls of plain dal or tur dal. I used unpolished dal here because the texture is a lot better and it's any day healthier when compared to a polished dal. After you have rinsed the dal well, add 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies, and 8 to 10 pods of garlic. Add a liter of water and pressure cook until 5 to 6 whistles. Once the dal has cooked, strain the water out completely. Transfer the dal back into the cooker and using a hand masher, mash the dal until you arrive at a smooth texture. Transfer the mashed dal to the dal water we had set aside earlier. The cooker goes back on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it for a couple of seconds. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of jeera, and half an onion finely chopped. Saute the onions until they are soft or translucent, and at this stage add the curry leaves. Give the onions and curry leaves about half a minute and add half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. About a minute more and we'll now add the dal. A simple plain dal goes brilliantly well with the chicken masala, egg masala, prawn masala, or even fish for that matter. Subscribe to my channel as I'll be posting more of those recipes soon. Just when the dal is about to come to a boil, add in a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and let the dal come to a complete boil, and it's ready to be served now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.